Maybe. There we
Yep,
go.
I guess.
All right, cool. Now we're working.
Awesome.
All right, so I don't know, what do you want to do? Just go through the quiz real quick?
Yeah, let's just go through the
All right.
questions.
All righty. Do you want me to share my screen and we'll go through it?
I don't know if we're supposed to. There was like a note.
Oh, yeah, that's right, huh? Okay. Well,
Yeah,
let's just
we'll just read them.
yeah, that's
I think that'll be fine.
fine. Yeah, I was gonna say something about that, like, 'cause last time, like, you showed your screen and then I was like, oh crap. I guess we weren't supposed to do
Or,
that.
yeah, I don't know. So we'll just read them. I think that'll be fine.
Yeah, that's cool.
You want to start with number 3?
Sure. Let's see. All right. Let me find it. Okay, there we go. All right, so it has the blood types and everything, O, A, B, and AB. So on the proportions given in the tables above define a probability distribution, and that's true because they all of them add to 1, so it's a
Yes.
proper distribution. So.
Yep, and they're above 0. Yep. Okay, number 4. What is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has a type O blood? And the table just has their 0.45, which would be the probability.
All right. This says round to 2 decimal places, so it should just be 0.45, right?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's see. What is the probability that a randomly selected person will not have type O blood? And it's 0.55 because you add, what is it? It's the
You just do
sum
one.
of all,
Yeah.
or the
One minus.
probability of an outcome will
Mm-hmm.
not be, yeah, so.
Yeah, it's 1 minus the probability
Yeah.
of the outcome will give you the probability of not.
0.55.
0.55. Okay, so the next one is the experiment for testing if dogs can detect bladder cancer. So they put 7 bowls of urine were lined up. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 did. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient? So you just do 1/7, which is asked to round to 3 decimals, which is 0.143.
That's what I got too.
Awesome.
It's kind of a pleasant experience, doesn't it? Like urine.
Right.
Do you think? I was looking at that. Like, wouldn't that be like the dog smelling, like the cancer or something like that? You know what I mean?
Yeah. I mean, I think that's the idea for the next question. But for number 6, I think it was just like if dogs could just
a random
pick randomly. Yeah.
Yeah.
What would the probability
But
be?
anyway.
That?
All right. So in a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patients 22 times. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well in a random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? So is that that's like a 40% chance that
Right.
they got it. So it does provide strong evidence.
Yeah, it's like 3 times as much as just a random selection.
Uh-huh.
So turns out, although it's still like, I feel like being less than half. I don't know. I guess it's because
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, but I said that it does provide strong evidence. Number 8, we're going to M&Ms. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red-colored candy round to 2 decimal places? It basically gives you the answer there. And the proportion, since those can all add up to 1, red is 0.13.
All right. So, question 9. What is the probability that randomly selected candy is green? Round 2 decimal places. So 0.16 is what I got.
Same.
Because you just add them all up and subtract from 1 or whatever, whichever way you want to find it.
Yep.
So.
Number 10, what is the probability that a randomly selected candy is not green? And you just do 1 minus 0.16, gives you 0.84.
So I got 2.
Number 11.
11. All right, the ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the Western United States were taken from capex.com. Right. So half of the observations are less than or equal to what number? And so that would be the median.
Mm-hmm.
What is it's 24, but how does that go again? It's like the
So the median is just saying half the numbers in the study are above that number and half are below. The mean is taking all the numbers, adding them, and dividing.
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
Yeah.
Like confused there for a second.
Usually they're pretty similar, unless there's a huge outlier that will skew the mean one way or the other. Question 12. Based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of students scored above what number? So that'd be Q3, means that the top 75% scored 27 or below. So it'd be 27. They scored above 27.
Q3.
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right. So which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability? The first one is, the second one is, there's never a negative in probability. So
third one is not.
Third one.
Yep. Let's see how we did. All right.
Perfect.
Perfect score. Cool. That lesson wasn't too bad, I don't think.
No, it wasn't too bad. Have you gone on to the next one yet?
I haven't.
No.
Have you?
Nope.
Oh. That's what I'll be doing tomorrow.
All right. Well, cool, man.
Yeah. All right. We'll see you on Wednesday.
All right, man. Take it easy.
You too.